Hi, Mary here from Just Plum Crazy. We're here with the essential oil diffuser and humidifier. You can set it for 1 hour, 3 hours, 6 hours, or have it a continuous on. It has 7 different colors. It'll cycle through the colors, or you can put whichever color you want on. It's very quiet. You don't even hear it. You can see it. I don't know if you can see makes a great night light. Available on Amazon. Head over to the blog and read the review. Personally, I like the purple. It is glass, which is different than most because most of them are plastic. Available on Amazon. Get yours today.